Transform your drone scans into fully interactive game environments. This complete workflow is powered by RealityCapture, Cesium, and AeroAI. We'll go from raw drone imagery to a 3D model and finally to an explorable 3D world. First, let's review our drone datasets. Here we have a capture folder containing 1784 images. Step 1. Data processing using RealityCapture. You can download it for free from capturingreality.com. Once the Epic Games launcher is installed, navigate to the RealityCapture tab and install or launch the application. Here, we're launching version 1.5.1. Inside RealityCapture, we'll load our drone images. For this, we'll utilize the helpful Map Wizard. Click Map Wizard under the Workflow tab, then select Images to add our dataset. Navigate to the folder containing all your drone JPEGs. Select them all and click Open. RealityCapture detects 1784 geo-referenced images. Click Next. Now we'll pick the coordinate system. It's crucial to ensure your images have GPS EXIF data for accurate georeferencing. Here we're selecting NAD 83 Nevada East in US feet. Next, verify the reconstruction region. You can adjust this bounding box to define the precise area you want to process from your images. Once set, click Next. For our goal, we'll select Maps and Models to generate both an orthographic map and a 3D model. Click Next. Now we select Map and Model Processing settings. We can expand these sections to fine-tune parameters. For the map, we'll keep default quality-based settings. For the model, we'll choose normal detail for a good balance of quality and processing speed. You can also set export options here. We'll proceed without adding specific exports at this stage, as we'll use the direct Cesium ion upload later. Click Go to start processing. This initiates alignment, meshing, simplification, texturing, and ortho projection. The Map Wizard helps process multiple outputs in one go. This can take some time depending on the dataset size and your hardware. Once processing is complete, it's time to review the results. Here's the initial alignment showing camera positions. We can zoom and pan to inspect the generated point cloud, and then switch to view the textured 3D model, ensuring everything looks accurate. Step 2. 3D tiling using Cesium ion. Remember to sign up for a free Cesium ion account. Back in RealityCapture, under the Workflow tab, click Share and choose Upload to Cesium ion. Name your model. We'll use Tenaya Springs 05/22/2025. You can add a description, then click Upload. RealityCapture will now prepare and upload the model to your Cesium ion account. This process also involves tiling the model into the 3D tiles format. Step 3.1. Adjust the tile in Cesium ion if necessary. In your Cesium ion My Assets dashboard, you'll see the uploaded model. Cesium ion will automatically begin the tiling process if it hasn't completed. Once tiled, click the Adjust Tile Location button. This is useful to fine-tune the geolocation or georeference if needed. The 3D Tiles Location Editor allows you to adjust longitude, latitude, height, rotation, and scale. Here we're slightly adjusting the height and ensuring the model is correctly placed on the globe. Click Save. Next, we need to create a Cesium token to access our data in other applications. Navigate to Access Tokens in Cesium ion and click Create Token. Give your token a name, for example, Test Token. Click Create and copy the generated token. Step 4. Real-time 3D visualization and analysis with AeroAI SiEGA. Sign up for a free AeroAI account and download SiEGA. Visit aeroai.io and click Sign Up. Select SiEGA Globe Viewer, create your account, and remember to input your Cesium access token during sign-up or in your profile later. Once logged into your AeroAI account dashboard, you can download SiEGA Go to your profile page to add or update your Cesium token. Paste the token you copied from Cesium ion here and save changes. You can find SiEGA installation and user documentation at docs.aeroai.io. The documentation provides step-by-step instructions for downloading and installing the SiEGA software. After completing the download and installation, launch SiEGA using the AeroAI launcher. Click Launch for SiEGA Viewer. Welcome to SiEGA, your gateway to visualize, analyze, and simulate geospatial data. To load your model, click Actions, then Data Layers. If needed, you can input or update your Cesium token directly here. Expand the Cesium dropdown, then 3D tile sets. You can search for your assets. We'll search for Tenaya, find our Tenaya Spring 0522-2025 model, toggle it on to load, and then click the Zoom to Tile icon to fly directly to our data's location. SiEGA streams the 3D tiles from Cesium Ion, rendering your drone scan in a real-time 3D environment. You can freely navigate using standard game controls or fly-through mode. Now let's load a conversational AI 3D character. This allows you to ask questions related to the scanned site. Go to Actions, Controls, then Add NPC. Choose a metahuman character and enter its ID to spawn it into the scene. You can now interact with the AI. Hold V to speak or type your questions. Hello.
Hello. How can I assist you today in exploring or understanding a topic or project?
Hey, can you tell me about the progress made on this project so far?
Certainly. The project has shown significant progress over the past few months. As of May 22, 2025, concrete foundations for several units have been poured, particularly in the central and southern blocks. The easternmost lots are still in the graded and lot preparation stage. The construction has been moving southwards from the established neighborhood, with a focus on master site grading and main utility line installations. The southernmost block indicates space for future expansion. The development is transitioning from site prep to foundational stages, with interior work likely underway in the most advanced sections. Let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to explore further.
What are the prices of this home?
The available home models and their starting prices as of May 2025 are as follows. 1. Avondale, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 1,710 square feet, starting from $495,990. 2. Lovell, 3 bedrooms, 2.5.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need
Compare site scans in real-time 3D. By loading different datasets, for example, an earlier scan from Tenaya Springs 0316-25, you can visually track progress and changes over time, side by side, or by toggling visibility. Explore the scanned site in 3D avatar mode. This gives you a ground-level perspective, allowing for intuitive walkthroughs and site inspections. You can also create animated video cameras and export renderings. Define keyframes to create smooth camera paths for presentations or progress reports. The playback shows the animated camera moving through the site, providing dynamic visualizations. SiEGA includes tools to draw, measure, and annotate directly in the 3D environment. Here, we're measuring the length of a sidewalk section. Simulate different weather conditions to understand their potential impact or for varied presentation contexts. Watch as we switch from a thunderstorm with lightning and rain to just rain and then back to default clear skies. Effortlessly compare and contrast different models or stages of your project by toggling their visibility in the Data Layers panel. Experience the next evolution. Join the SiEGA preview program at aeroai.io/SiEGA/viewer or contact info@aeroai.io.